This is our introduction to linear inequalities. So we have y is greater than or equal to negative 3x plus 4. If you remember from our notes, if you have a greater than sign or a less than sign, you're going to have a dotted line. And if it's greater than or less than or equal, you'll have a solid line. So taking a look at our first example, it is y is greater than or equal to negative 3x plus 4. So you're going to be making a solid line. But first we need to graph it. We're going to start off with the y-intercept of 4. Go ahead and do 4. And now we have our slope is negative 3x. So we're going to go down 3 and then over to the right 1. And I'll do a couple more just to get our line in. And we're going to carefully, with a ruler, make a line. And then now we have to look at our symbol. This is greater than or equal to. So we talked about greater than or equal to. Is it going to be to the left of the line, to the right of the line, above the line, below the line? And if we're not sure, we can always pick a point and see if that falls in the solution set. The easiest point to pick, in my opinion, is 0, 0. So taking a look here, let's see if 0, 0 would make this statement true. So we're going to plug in our values. So is 0 greater than or equal to 4? 0 is not greater than or equal to 4. Therefore, we are not going to shade the region where 0, 0 lands. So we have to shade everything up here. And you can go back and look at the greater than or equal to, and if you notice that this whole space here is above the line. And if you wanted to, you could pick a point in there, say 4, 1, and put it in the equation, the inequality, and see if it makes a true statement. Is 1 greater than or equal to negative 8? And it's true, so therefore we will be shading the area that we did in blue. Let's take a look at number 2. Y is less than or equal to 3/5 x minus 5. So we're going to go down to minus 5. And we have a positive slope. Get us around here. It's a solid line because it is less than or equal to. There. Now this one's a little bit trickier. Less than or equal to. Well, I'm looking at this area up here, meaning greater than, and then this area down here, my gut's telling me, is less than. So I'm going to pick a point. I'm going to pick 0, 0. The reason I'm picking 0, 0 is because I've got a fraction here, and it's just easier to get rid of that fraction and use 0. So is 0 less than or equal to negative 5? It is not less than or equal to negative 5. It is greater than. So this is not going to be a solution up here. My gut was telling me that this is where we will need to shade. Less than, below that line. Let's take a look at number 3. Y is greater than negative x minus 5. So we're going to start at negative 5. It's a negative slope. I'm going to go up 1 and over. It looks like we're over here. This is a dotted line. And it's saying it's greater than. So my gut is telling me it's going to go up here. But let's double check it. And once again, I'm going to 0, 0. Because my gut is telling me greater than must be above, this 0, 0 point should be a solution set. So we're going to have 0 is greater than 0 minus 5. 0 is greater than negative 5. That is a true statement. Therefore, we did shade the right way. Last one, number 4. Y is greater than negative 4. So remembering your y-intercept going down to negative 4, these are horizontal lines, and it's going to be dotted because it doesn't have the equal part to that. Y is greater than negative 4. Well, greater than implies above, so we're shading above. And we can check it, again, picking my favorite point of 0, 0. 0 is greater than negative 4. Yes, it does work. And we have shaded in the correct area. Last two. Y is greater than 2x minus 5. So we're going to start at negative 5. The slope is positive, so we're going to go up 2 over 1. The line is dotted because it is just greater than. And it says y is greater than. So my gut is telling me it's going to go up here because that is above the line. This is a little bit trickier because it kind of looks like it's to the left as well. And does that mean it's less than because it's to the left? So just to be safe, I'm going to go ahead and pick my 0, 0 and hope that it falls in the solution set. So 0 is greater than 2 times 0 minus 5. 0 is greater than negative 5. That's a true statement, so we did shade in the right spot. Last one. Y is greater than or equal to 7/4 x plus 2. We'll start at the plus 2. And 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't go up 7, so I'm going to have to do a double negative here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I went down 7, so I have to go to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is a solid line because it is a greater than or equal to. And again, I'm predicting greater than. It's going to go up. Now I don't have 0, 0 in that solution set, but I'm going to pick it anyway and see if it makes a false statement. 0 is greater than 7/4 times 0 plus 2. 0 is greater than or equal to 2. That is a false statement, so you do not want to shade the area with that 0, 0, so we were correct. This is our solution set.